Hey guys, so you're probably wondering, why do I do this? I get more productive work done when I wake up at 5:30 than if I did when I wake up later. I find my most productive hours are early in the morning than if I were to wake up later, let's say, and stay up later. I'm not gonna be as productive at night. I'm more likely just to chill out, drink some wine, watch some Netflix, and overall not be very productive. So for myself, I like to limit staying up later, watching TV, doing whatever you do at night, to the weekend, and I like to have myself a nice productive week. If you're feeling less motivated right now and you want to get more work done during the week, maybe give this a try. It worked for me, but not everyone's the same. If you're someone who gets more work done at nighttime, then obviously this isn't going to work for you. So maybe ask yourself the question, when am I most productive? And if you find that you're not productive at nighttime, then give this a try. I'm sure it'll work. You have nothing to lose and you have everything to gain from it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video.